Want to check in now with Storm Team 4 meteorologist Ben Gelber. We can count on the fact that we are certainly going to see some changes in the forecast.
Yeah,
that is
and
without
that won't
a doubt.
take weeks.
That will not take weeks to figure out.
Not here.
Sure. Yeah.
But how about this? We're 14 degrees cooler than yesterday, and we're still 10 degrees above average.
Well, there's that at least.
Okay.
We're just so far out of kilter, but we're working our way back to at least sort of January weather, especially tomorrow. But again, 47 today, no complaints, 34 this morning. That's only 3 degrees shy of our average high. Records are 65 in the cold in 1997 and minus 16 way back in the 1880s. We are now 3 minutes from sunset. Boy, does that look pretty, but you can see the cloud bank moving in on our Mr. Reuter tower camera view. That's a cold front coming in from the west, 46 degrees. 53% humidity, so the air is kind of dry, not really supportive of any of this moisture reaching the ground, but a very slow-moving system finally beginning to work its way to the east. It's been a very slow-moving, low-pressure area that, of course, brought blizzard conditions and some pretty rough weather to the Midwest. At least the upper Midwest. You can see a large area of rain and snow, but most of it is not ground reaching. A lot of spin here in the atmosphere, but that's going to help draw some moisture north and moisten things up a little bit through the evening hours. 43 Delaware, 46 Columbus, Piketon, Athens, McConnellsville, Caldwell. So balmy really across the board. There's no Arctic air sitting on our doorstep, but eventually we'll get down to near freezing in the morning, which will indicate cold front has gone through. And it's possible as rain mixes with a little bit of wet snow overnight that we could see a very light accumulation to the north on grassy surfaces. But the ground's so warm, it's hard to see anything really sticking. Spotty showers should be in here by 9 o'clock, even though radar is active. Take a couple of hours to moisten up the atmosphere. And perhaps beginning to mix with snow by 11, certainly to our west and definitely after midnight. So you can see very light showers through the evening hours, just kind of in and out. By 8 o'clock, we're down into the upper 30s, and then we start to see a few snowflakes late tonight. And again, tomorrow morning, heading off to work and school, don't be surprised if a few flurries are flying, mainly north of Interstate 70, but definitely temperatures are down a bit. It's going to be a little bit colder over the next couple of days, but we should begin to dry out. Originally, we were watching this storm to the southwest, but it won't get here until Sunday, and by then, we should be mild enough for rain. So rain and snow showers overnight. Best chance of seeing snowflakes will be after midnight through about mid-morning tomorrow, a few flurries. And then Saturday, again, a flurry or sprinkle, but that's looking more to our south now. A few showers on Sunday, low 40s. And I see a whole bunch of 40s. We won't get cold again, I think, till the end of next week. That's almost mid-January.
We'll take that.